就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're talking about something that everyone should abide to, and that is being on time or prompt. 要准时。准时 ，OK， 我们做人要准时啦，对不对？但是我跟你讲，什么东西更准时，就是要发车，比如说火车啊、高铁啊，对不对？这些大部分就是写10点15，就是10点15就要走咯，
绝对16就跑啦，
就拜拜咯。对。Okay, so a lot of times we need to be on time, but trains are even more on time. And let's put you in this situation, okay? 我要买一张去台北的车票 I want to buy one ticket to Taipei.
我愛買一種去台北嘅車票。
去台北嘅車票。
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 台北
嘅車票。
對，車票。
去台北嘅車票。車票就是車票，對不對？
是的。
Okay, that actually means a train ticket or maybe a bus ticket, not an airline ticket. Okay, it's 車票。And then what to buy 要買就是
愛買。
Okay, that means to buy. 那10點15分準時發車哦。Okay, the ticketing person might remind you it's going to depart promptly at 10:15.
10點15分。
10點15分。
準時發車。10點15分準時發車。
Yeah, 準時 we just taught you that means to be on time, to be prompt, okay? 發車 means 發車，對不對？
是的。
Depart, all right? And then 10點15就是10點15。
10點15
that means 10:15, all right? Looking at the watch, oh my goodness, that's only 10 minutes away. I better get onto the train. 那我要趕快來上車了哈。
今日我來夾送茶。
夾就是要快一點，對不對？ I know that one. 今日我來夾送茶。送茶 means to get on a car or get on a bus or get on the train in this scenario. Okay, 我們都教跟車有關的單詞哦，發車、上車，還有車票都跟車有關哈。
對。
All right, then let's review some of these phrases then, such as 車票, a bus ticket or a train ticket.
車票
and then to depart, 要發車了。
發車
and then get onto the train, 上車。送茶 and it's all about the phrase to be on time this month, and it's 準時。And now you know, that does for today's Practical Hakka on Icrt.
什麼大家？
單詞say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.